Hello, good morning students. Today in this video we will discuss about the preparation of alcohol from the Grignard reagent. How will you prepare the alcohol with the help of Grignard reagent? Grignard reagent is a very important reagent. Grignard reagent can be denoted as RMGX, where R may be any alkyl group, it may be methyl, ethyl, propyl, or you can say it may be phenyl group. It may be phenyl group, you can say like the C6H5, etc. And X may be bromine, iodine, etc. any halogen. When how will you prepare the alcohol from the Grignard reagent? You will see that when R and this is the Grignard reagent. When Grignard reagent is treated with methanol and followed by hydrolysis. When Grignard reagent is treated with formaldehyde followed by hydrolysis, then we get primary alcohol. When Grignard reagent reacts with formaldehyde followed by hydrolysis, then we get primary alcohol, that is a 1-degree alcohol. Then again, when Grignard reagent reacts with other aldehyde, I mean to say except formaldehyde, followed by hydrolysis. Other aldehyde except formaldehyde followed by hydrolysis, then secondary alcohols are obtained. When Grignard reagent is treated with ketone and followed by hydrolysis, then tertiary alcohols are obtained. When Grignard reagent is treated with formaldehyde, then hydrolysis carried out, we get primary alcohol. Apart from the when Grignard reacts with other aldehyde and hydrolysis carried out, then we get secondary alcohol. When Grignard reacts with ketone followed by hydrolysis, we get tertiary alcohol. Now we have to see the mechanism of this reaction. It is a very important method of production of the alcohol. Now first we take about the primary alcohol. How primary alcohol is obtained from the Grignard reagent. We take any Grignard reagent just like CS3NGBr. Its name is methyl magnesium bromide. This is methyl magnesium bromide. You can take methyl magnesium iodide, you can take methyl magnesium bromide, whatsoever. And we take the formaldehyde. This one is methanol. If we have to prepare the primary alcohol, then we have to use the methanol. Other name of methanol is formaldehyde. Now reaction will be like this one. This is CS3NGBr. Electrolytic division will take place. CS3NGBr plus this will be minus. It is a nucleophile. This is electrophile. This is electrophile. You can say electrophilic reagent. This is a nucleophilic reagent. Now methanol CHCl. So this one is methanol, or you can say formaldehyde. Methanol is the IUPAC name, formaldehyde is the common name. what will take place? This one will be, since oxygen is more electronegative, bond is broken, electron are shifted towards this side. HCO, negative and positive charge. Now nucleophile will attack first. This is a nucleophilic substitution, nucleophilic addition reaction. That's why nucleophile attack by CH3. This one. This is a nucleophile. It will attack on this carbon. Minus, it will attack on this position. CH3. Now nucleophile attack will take place. Nucleophile attack will take place. It will attack on this oxygen atom. This one. OMgBr. This is an intermediate compound. Now hydrolysis is to be carried out. Now hydrolysis takes place. Now hydrolysis takes place in this way. HCH3, this will be OH. This bond will be broken and side product will be MgBrOH. This is the, look here, CH3, CH2OH. This is a ethanol. Yeah, you can say ethyl alcohol. Product is ethanol, ethyl alcohol. Drawback of this one, that methanol cannot be prepared by this method. Methanol cannot be prepared by this method because methanol will contain it contains one carbon atom. When we take any Grignard reagent, since there will be alkyl group, minimum it will contain one carbon atom. That's why ethanol are prepared. That is, methanol cannot be prepared by this method. This is a method of preparation of the ethanol. You can prepare propanol, butanol, etc. by using the different Grignard reagent, because it cannot be changed. You cannot change methanol. You have to use different Grignard reagent only. According to the need of the alcohol, you have primary alcohol. According to need of the alcohol, you have to change the Grignard reagent only, because methanol cannot be changed for the formation of the primary alcohol. If you use ethyl magnesium bromide, C2H5Br, ethyl magnesium bromide, then propanol will be formed. Write down the equation yourself in your copy. The reaction between ethyl magnesium bromide and methanol. You have to write the equation of ethyl magnesium bromide and methanol in your copy as a homework for you.